Hi, my name is Zephan Ellenbogen, and I'm a regional sales manager based out of New York City here at QTL. Thank you for joining us for this Q School. Let's get right into it. I'd like to introduce you to our OPTI fixture family. The OPTI family is broken out into two different lines. OPTI 01 has a standard flat lens and is available with either a dry-rated double-row LED light engine or a dry, damp, or wet-rated single-row LED light engine. OPTI 02 includes 9 different lens options, which were designed to achieve different optical effects. This option is only available for dry applications. OPTI is a surface mount fixture and utilizes either concealed or magnetic clips. OPTI is also compatible with our standard range of accessories like our hinge, Q-pivot, Q-angle, Quova knife edge profiles, or our JLU brackets. The high-quality anodized aluminum is available in satin, black, white, or custom colors, and comes complete with matching machined aluminum end caps. OPTI 01 double-row options are available in static white and static white high efficacy. Use this option for even and broad illumination. OPTI 01 single-row fixtures are available in static white high efficacy, static color, dynamic white, warm dim, RGB, RGBW, and RGBW high efficacy. They can be used in dry, damp, or wet environments. Please note, OPTI 01 single-row LED is the only option available for damp and wet applications in the OPTI line. OPTI 02 with the optical lenses house our static white high efficacy, static color, dynamic white, warm dim, RGB, and RGBW single-row light engines. Remember, this option is for dry applications only. OPTI 01 comes with a frosted or polar or diffused flat lens for varying diode visibility and beam spread. OPTI 02 was engineered and designed with a wide range of optics. The 9 lens options are 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 90 degrees, 110 degrees, 155 degrees, 180 degrees, asymmetric, and forward throw. OPTI family fixtures can be specified and ordered as either fully factory assembled or as cut-to-order extrusion and LED strip for easy field installation. All OPTI products have declare labels. Thank you for joining us for this Q School presentation about our OPTI family of fixtures. If you have any additional questions, please check out our website. On the product pages, you can find spec sheets, ordering guides, installation instructions, photometric information, and IES files. If you need any other information, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and we're excited to see what you'll be doing with our OPTI fixtures on your next project. Thanks so much. Have a good one.